Many adults over 60 find themselves struggling to sleep soundly through the night. You might fall asleep easily, but then wake up again at 2 or 3 a.m. feeling restless. Even after a full night in bed, you wake up tired, as though you barely slept. If that sounds familiar, here's something surprising. A simple kitchen ingredient you've used your entire life could hold the secret to restoring deep, natural sleep. That ingredient is garlic. Why garlic matters. Garlic isn't just a cooking spice. It has been a respected remedy in traditional medicine for thousands of years. Ancient Chinese, Egyptian, and Greek healers all valued garlic for its remarkable effects on the body. Modern research now supports what ancient wisdom already knew. Garlic contains compounds that help calm the nervous system, improve blood flow, and support serotonin balance, a key factor in your body's ability to produce melatonin, the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. When used correctly, garlic can relax the mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and help you drift naturally into deeper sleep, all without medication. Stay with me till the end of this video. The last method I'll share is especially powerful and could change the way you sleep in just a few nights. Method 1. The pillow method. Let's begin with one of the simplest techniques, placing a clove of garlic under your pillow. This old folk remedy has helped many seniors achieve calmer, more restful nights. Here's how it works. Take one fresh garlic clove, peel it, and place it inside your pillowcase near where your head rests. As your body warms it, the mild scent of allicin, the active compound in garlic, is gently released. This subtle aroma helps clear nasal passages, promote easier breathing, and relax the nervous system. Some people with mild snoring or breathing difficulty notice that their sleep feels smoother and deeper after a few nights. Just make sure to use only one fresh clove each night and avoid any that are old or moldy. If you'd like to see more natural remedies like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert-backed wellness tips. Method 2. Garlic foot compress. The second method may sound unusual, but it's grounded in traditional medicine. It involves applying crushed garlic to the soles of your feet before bedtime. The feet contain vital reflex points that connect to different organs and systems in the body. One key acupoint, called yongquan, lies at the center of the sole and is known for calming the heart and promoting relaxation. Here's what to do. Wash your feet with warm water and dry them. Then crush 3 to 5 cloves of garlic and apply the paste to the center of each sole. Cover it with gauze or cloth for about 10-20 minutes, ideally 30-60 minutes before bed. This gentle stimulation improves circulation and relieves nervous tension, helping the body settle naturally into rest. However, be careful. Garlic is strong. If your skin is sensitive, reduce contact time or frequency. Avoid using it nightly. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Many seniors say that after only a few tries, they sleep more peacefully and stop waking up midnight. Method 3. Garlic milk with honey. Our third remedy works from within, a warm drink made with garlic, milk, and honey. Garlic soothes inflammation and supports relaxation. Milk provides natural tryptophan that signals your brain it's time to rest. Honey stabilizes blood sugar levels overnight, preventing sudden energy drops that can disturb sleep. To prepare it, crush 5 cloves of garlic and simmer them gently in 1 cup, about 250 milliliters of milk for 10-15 minutes. Once it cools slightly, mix in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Drink it warm 30-60 minutes before bed. Many people report that after 3 to 5 nights of drinking this mixture, they fall asleep faster and wake up feeling lighter and more refreshed. If you find the flavor strong, start with fewer cloves and slowly increase as you adjust. Stay with us till the end. The next method is a game changer that many older adults swear by. Method 4. The power of black garlic. Now let's talk about black garlic, a form of garlic that has been naturally aged under controlled heat and humidity for about 80-90 days. This process transforms ordinary garlic into a dark, soft, mildly sweet food that's packed with antioxidants. It also multiplies its health benefits, especially for the immune and nervous systems. Black garlic helps regulate serotonin and enhance melatonin production, 2 key factors for deep, consistent sleep. To use it, eat 2 to 4 cloves daily, 1 serving in the morning and 1 in the evening about 30 minutes before dinner. Chew slowly, then drink a glass of warm water. For those who prefer, it can also be soaked in a small amount of white wine, but only if alcohol is not restricted for you. Regular use can not only improve sleep quality, but also boost digestion, mental clarity, and overall vitality. You don't have to try all 4 methods at once. Start with one that feels comfortable. Observe how your body responds and stay consistent for a few days. Sleep difficulties in older age are not inevitable. Often, the body simply needs a gentle reminder to relax again, And sometimes nature provides the perfect tool for that. Garlic, used correctly, can help restore the balance your body has been missing. Also, follow us on Facebook for daily updates and behind-the-scenes health tips you can use at home. Remember, restful sleep isn't gone. It's just waiting for the right support. A single, simple habit like using garlic can make a remarkable difference. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who might benefit. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it today. There's more valuable content coming your way soon. Trust me, the next video will surprise you. Don't miss it.